Okay, so they are descending,
Yeah, it might be hitting on the
lowering the motor.
shaft of the transmission right now.
They had it way up high. I ran in to get coffee because it is a little cool out here, and came back and they had already lowered it. I'm sad, but so oh, he's gonna jack it up a little bit because we got to get the motor angle. Yay for me. Okay.
Okay. Now, do I have the? I think it still needs to come.
It needs to go down.
It still needs to come to the.
Oh, it'll pull over
Okay.
there.
So, what about? Do I have the transmission jack high enough?
Yeah, for now.
Okay.
So this is amazing.
Okay.
I need to go down.
The installation
I need
of
to go way
the
down and put it in an angle. I need to take this off.
engine. Trying to get it in at the right angle.
Okay, what do I do?
Get the engine a little fucking.
Roger, right. Okay, I think that's pretty good. We can take it. Is that right?
Must be caught on the shaft.
So trying to get her right in the right spots.
So,
Yeah, these guys are physically strong and really knowledgeable.
okay. Okay, I see.
You want to come up?
It's, hold on a minute.
Okay,
Yeah, come up just a
Tarzan
little bit.
is assessing the placement
Okay,
of
right
the
up there, and now it just needs to go to the side. So I just need to go,
engine.
Move this rubber.
I need to go, yeah, I might be able to use that.
I've got to stay out of the way
pry
here.
bar, I can pry it.
Yeah.
Pry bar. No doorknob on the door. A lot of intense concentration as I try to place it. Getting inside the body of the car to
Okay, it needs to come up just a little bit, I guess.
adjust
Not a
it.
problem.
Okay, from within, making it work here.
Okay,
See
a little bit more.
the
Okay,
engine
that's just about
connecting
right.
to the machinery.
up. A little bit too much.
Okay.
Okay, now it needs to come back. I'm going to push it back this way a little bit.
You see the hole up here? I've got about an inch.
Uh-huh.
Down here, I got about 2.5, so I'm gonna jack up the transmission to match it, the mission.
Okay. He's going to jack up the transmission. So again, it's kind of like delivering a baby. We have 6 children. It's kind of about placement.
It looks like the engine needs to come up a little bit.
Some similarities. And yeah, so
A little bit more. Okay. A little bit more.
wow, I'm really sad I
Okay.
missed the engine hanging up in the air.
Just a little bit. Yeah, it's close.
Okay, it's close.
this stuff I need to push inward.
Don't you need to lift it all the way up in the air again?
It needs to come up a little higher. Engine needs to come a little higher. Okay, that's close now.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not.
Oh, it should be there.
It looks like on this motor mount, it's blocking it a little bit because it's low here. So
Yeah.
I need to.
This one has to go down there.
Yeah, yeah.
You see what it? Oh, we're way off here.
Yeah, the
Okay.
whole motor is like twisted.
Okay.
Oh, the
Once
motor
we
is
get
twisted.
and once we get it in, we can untwist it.
Okay.
Once we get it in, we can untwist it.
Okay, now you got it above the motor mount. Okay, so now you can look at it again.
Yeah, placing it right above the motor mount. Motor
Okay,
mount's on the left and on the right.
I need to go down, believe it or not, where it will go in straight. I'm
Okay.
going to bring it down more than what your fingers.
Okay.
Watch your fingers.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
And,
Mont's a professional. Knows what he's
yeah, I wonder
doing.
if I
And this is his joy. He's
picked it up and I put that motor mount thing right under there, it might straighten it right on up.
Guitar's hand is a problem solver.
Okay.
Okay, so
I need to go
I
down.
don't know if I can.
I need to go down.
Yeah, let me try this. Hold on a second. Yeah, I don't know if you can push on that side more.
So Mont's pushing on one side.
Now it's going forward there.
Lyle's working on it from the
You ought to be able to
Model
see
A
where the
floor.
shaft is in there.
Well, it's not too low now.
board. Well, there's no board, but
See that?
What's it look like in there?
don't you need to lift the engine high up
look
in the
on the
air
side.
again?
Can you see it? Yeah, it looks like it's.
Okay, we're just having a little bit of a struggle here. Yeah. Guitar's hand. Wind's blowing the door shut.
Okay. So,
I need to come up with the engine, or either go down with the transmission. I think I'm gonna go down with the transmission.
okay, let me just
Gotta
try
go down
dropping
with
it
the
just slightly. Ready? You want to watch it while I drop it?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, we'll go back up.
No, I think we can wiggle that in there. You see where it is?
Yeah. Yeah, so let me wedge it with this a little bit.
I'm gonna bring
That way.
I'm gonna bring the engine. Can you see with this? I'll let you see, and I'm gonna move the engine.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's perfect. That's good.
Okay. Now is the spline.
Lined up.
Yeah.
There's the spline
It looks
lined
pretty
up.
lined up. It looks
Okay.
perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna get something, and I'm gonna push forward. Just to get your picture.
Okay. And I've got these things too. If you want one of these pry bars.
Pry bars and a screwdriver. Pushing the engine forward. Okay. Hopefully that was a good noise.
Well,
Just
do something else. Let me see where the bottom is. I got
flashlight.
about 5/8 of an inch. Let me look down there and see how much I got down there. Because it has to be
It's pretty close. It's pretty darn close.
this close.
On the bell housing, it's
Yeah.
I'm going to come down with the engine.
okay.
Gotta come down with the engine.
Yeah, no, come up a little bit. It's gonna come up. Well, I can drop the transmission, but
Getting close.